They ran that night. Gerard put guns in people's hands, but a lot less than he thought were actually willing to use them. More people know our secret now, but more of them are on our side.
Co-captains. You want to be co-captains now.
We've, gotten past our differences.
That doesn't sound very competitive. Who taught you that crap?
You did. Because you're a great coach.
Right. I am a great coach.
They weren't afraid of us anymore. Now we have allies who used to be enemies. We have protectors. We have friends willing to fight for us. The rest of us have been looking for others, like you. You. They've got a leader. Her name's Monroe. She's got a lot of followers.
Like what, hundreds?
Thousands. All over the world.
So what are we doing here?
We're meeting up with some people who can help us. Some of them are always with us. Others come when we need them. But tonight, we need everyone we can get. Different. Some of them are. Some can do things you'd never believe. And others might only be human. But they make up for it by being really smart. Or really good in a fight. Who are they? My friends. My pack. And you can be with us if you want. But you're gonna have to fight.
Against Monroe?
And everyone that follows her.
She said she'd find me. That she'd hunt me down and kill me. She didn't care how old I was. She said I was a monster.
You're not a monster.